everybody, Spirit Otter here. And we're back with Phoenix Wright Ace Attorney. I'm sorry I'm laughing, but we are in a ridiculous situation. We are cross-examining a parrot! Yay! Let's get moving! That's quite a bird. Please tell us your name. Name! It's a parrot, Your Honor. The witness is ignoring me. It must hurt to be ignored by a bird. Very well, witness. Who is your owner? Perhaps, please testify for us. Who is your owner? Hello, squawk! This is so dumb! This is so dumb! Certainly the most concise testimony we've had so far. Very well, begin your cross-examination. Right. What do you gotta do, Nick? I don't know. What do we do, Maya? This is so dumb. Only thing I can do. Witness, you can't just say hello and expect us to get anywhere. I want you to testify. Mike, you talk to her. Right, what do I say? Have we forgotten something? Remember 2 days ago. Polly, have we forgotten something? Squawk! Don't forget, DL6 squawk! I can get Polly to say that here. We'll prove that the caretaker has something to do with DL6. Polly, have we forgotten something? Hello, squawk! That's not what you're supposed to say! Forgot something! Something we forgot. Hello, squawk! Oh, it's not working, Nick. She won't say it. It's ridiculous. Why won't she say it? Tisk. Something the matter, right? Wait. Don't tell me Von Karma expected this. He couldn't have retrained the parrot, could he? You train her not to respond if we ask if we've forgotten anything? Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Right, maybe I should get her to say her name. Polly, what's your name? Polly, squawk! Mr. Wright, I think we have established that this parrot's name is Polly. Does this have anything to do with her owner's identity? Yeah, it does. Yes, it does. Ha! Fascinating. You claim that the parrot's name will prove her owner's identity. Show us this proof. Nick, you don't think you're taking this bluff a little too far? Listen, we're not here to answer the question of who is the caretaker. We're here to prove that he's Yogi. All we have to do is tie the name Polly to Yogi. Your Honor, the proof that the parrot's name reveals the identity of the caretaker is, I did not read that right, but whatever, this. The DL6 case? That's quite a large file you have there. Which page of this is proof? Which page on this is proof? Show us or stop wasting our time. Very well, Mr. Wright, show us the page. Where is this file information connected to Polly's name? Let me take a look real quick. I think it's on the third case summary. Suspect data. Oh, that's just sad. Polly Jenkins committed suicide. Oh. Suspect data. It's on the suspect data page. This page has all the information about Yogi. Right after he was arrested, his fiancée committed suicide, see? Indeed, it does say that, yes. What was his fiancée's name? Polly Jenkins. Polly! Exactly, Your Honor. Remember the name of his fiancée that committed suicide? That's why he named his parrot after her. Oh, I see. I guess that is possible. Bah! A mere coincidence is all. My granddaughter has a dog she calls Phoenix. I'm not even going to read that out. No, I'm going to. Well, Mr. Phoenix Wright, this is making my granddaughter's fiance. She's only 7 years old. Jeez, okay. Indeed. Alone, it is a little weak for evidence in a murder trial. We would need some other corroborating evidence. Where am I gonna find that? Nick, we're getting closer. One more. If we can get one more piece of evidence. Right. But what? Very well, witness, you may continue. Hold up. Let me take a look at this case file. Just check. Oh, wait a minute. 1228. Oh. That is the exact, that's the safe number. Oops. Witness, you're here to speak. You must speak to me. Frankly, I cannot believe you're speaking to the parrot. Well, I guess we should try to get some information out of her. We need to show the judge that her owner is Mr. Yogi. Alright, let's just... Maybe I'll get her to say the safe number of that safe. Huh? The safe? Why? Let's just try to get her to say anything, okay? Holly, wasn't the number to the safe in the shack? 8228. Yep, 8228. Yep, take a look. Yep. My, what a reckless parrot. Oh, Mr. Wright? You aren't claiming this number had something to do with this caretaker. Actually, it does. That's why I had her say it. Ha! Ridiculous. How could the number of the safe tell us who the caretaker really is? Show us the proof! What could possibly link that number to the caretaker's true identity? This again. The DL6 case file. What is this obsession you have with that case, Mr. Wright? Where in this case file is something related to the safe number. The case summary. On the case summary page. The case summary? Specifically, the date on which the DL6 incident occurred. The date of the incident, December 28th. Why, that's today's date, 15 years ago. And the number on the safe is 1228. He used the date of the DL6 incident as a number for his safe, Your Honor. That's how important that date was to him. I see. It certainly is an interesting coincidence. People do often set their secret numbers to dates. Bah! This is not tangible proof. I set my ATM card number to 0001 because I am number 1. Okay, thanks for telling us. That's nothing to do with the date. Nothing. That's enough. I think we reach a conclusion here. This is mere coincidence, that's all. True, that is a possibility. However, two coincidences at the same time seem like a pattern to me. What are you saying? Some of the caretaker of the boat shop. Immediately. Witness, tell us your name. Wait! This witness, he doesn't remember. Oh, it's okay. I've accomplished what I wanted to. I'm done. Nick, he's totally different. This is the real Yogi, I think. Finally. He's been acting feeble to hide his true identity. Acting for 15 years. Well, let me ask you again. Please state your name for the court. My name is Yanni Yogi. 15 years ago, I served as a bailiff in this very court. Order! Order! Yanni Yogi. So was it you who killed Robert Hammond? I tried to frame Miles Edgeworth for his death? Yes, it was me. I did it. They put me on the witness stand 15 years ago. Robert Hammond, he said I was mentally unsound. Told me it would make me innocent, get me off the hook. So I pretended to have brain damage. I was innocent, really, but he didn't believe me. He won the trial, but I lost everything. I lost my job, my fiancé, my social standing. Then this year, 15 years later, a package arrived. It was a letter and a pistol. My plan was written out in careful detail. It was planned for me to take my revenge on the people who ruined my life. I didn't care who sent it. I thought this was my chance. After 15 years, this was it. Finally, I had my revenge on Robert Hammond and Miles Edgeworth. I have no regrets. Wait a moment. Revenge against Miles Edgeworth? What do you mean? I'm not at liberty to speak on that matter. Why don't you ask Mr. Edgeworth yourself? Anyway, I admit it. I was the one who killed Robert Hammond. Accused of a murder he didn't commit and ends up becoming a murderer 15 years later. Yikes! Von Karma, where is Mr. Yogi? Under arrest, Your Honor. I saw no room for error in his confession. Then the defendant Miles Edgeworth is innocent, for this case at least. Very well. Will the defendant please take the stand? There are a few mysteries left unsolved. Still, you are cleared of suspicion for this particular case. So I would like to pass judgment on the murder of Robert Hammond. Any objections? Don't believe it. Why isn't Von Karma saying anything? Very well. This court finds the defendant Miles Edgeworth. Whoo! Alright! We won! This is all. Court is adjourned. Miles, what are you doing? Did someone just say objection? Wasn't Von Karma. Wait, but that means... No. Edgeworth! Your Honor, I object to your judgment. What do you mean? Not innocent at all. As we have heard, Yanni Yogi had killed Robert Hammond in revenge. But revenge for what? Nick, Edgeworth is trying to confess. He's gonna say he's guilty. He's gonna tell them he was the murderer in DL6 incident. He's gonna tell them he killed his own dad. Uh-oh, what do I do? Dude. No! Judgment has already been passed. I eject Edgeworth's outburst. Didn't something like this happen yesterday, too? I believe a certain witness raised an objection after a guilty verdict was passed. That would be Larry. We must hear this new statement. We must hear Miles Edgeworth. He's right. We have a duty to hear Mr. Edgeworth out. Oh, no. No. No! For 15 years, I've had a recurring dream. A nightmare. It's only a nightmare. That's what I told myself. But now I know it wasn't a dream. Yana Yogi wasn't the killer. You mean in the incident where your father died? From the distance of the shot, it wasn't suicide either. Everything was clear as day. The murderer, the criminal in the DL6 incident, it was me. Your Honor, I confess my guilt. I'm guilty for DL6 statute of limitations, which ends today. The culprit is me. No, 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 no! Miles, no! Order, order! This is certainly unexpected. Defendant declared innocent is confessing to a different crime. A crime of which a statute of limitations runs out today. Convenient! Not really sure how I should deal with this. Bah! It's obvious. We should hold our trial right here, right now. We tried this man for the crime of 15 years ago. He was a kid! I think I would like to take a 5-minute recess. During this time, I will consider the appropriate course of action to take. Court is adjourned. I'm sorry, Wright. I've just wasted all your effort. Mr. Edgeworth, I don't believe it, pal. I mean, you killed your dad? Didn't want to believe it myself, Detective. But it's the truth. Deserve to be punished. Murder is murder no matter what the circumstances. This is crazy! Just crazy! Nick, what are you doing? Huh? Oh. Just reading through the court record once more. Getting my case ready. Your case? For what? Huh? Isn't it obvious? I'm gonna prove that Edgeworth is innocent. What are you talking about, pal? He just admitted it. Confessed that he did it. In court. I'm sorry, Edgeworth. But I don't believe you're a nightmare. What? It's just a dream. It's not real. The truth is right here in this court record. In any case, tighten your belts because the real fight is just beginning. I'll prove your innocence. Trust me. Right. Oh boy. Then I would like to resume our trial. Judge, Miles Edgeworth has admitted his own guilt. He has confessed to his crimes. Let us begin by hearing his testimony. Then through pointless, let the defense do their cross-examination. The statute of limitations on DL6 runs out today. Though this is unconventional for me, I'd like to run this one by the book. I see. Does the defense have any objections? No, Your Honor? Well, Karma, you knew this was going to happen from the very beginning, didn't you? Very well. Will Miles Edgeworth take the stand? And we will do that next time. So, till then, I will see y'all then.